This is the funniest adventure experience we have done so far. Let me just show you.
What if pay me pasta the money?
They're not Chicago, organized crime. Super advertise pro max.
Amara is the craziest among us all, and he did something unexpected which I'm going to show you in this video, and why Idris took off his shirt as the adventure continues to get harder and harder and harder. Guys, welcome back to Leone TV. So today we are going to Mambo Waterfall. This is not my first hiking experience to the Mambo Waterfall, so I know exactly what is ahead of us and I'm going to be quiet about it. Tell her.
Get code engineer. Have to get the software engineer. Yeah, one software engineer with one accountant. Me, I'm not like good at just engineer.
Yes. Everybody seemed very happy and excited. I understand. I've been there as a first timer and nobody told me the secret about the distance, the hill. So I'm going to keep my mouth shut while leading the way. When I know they can start, yeah? And now they can start. Why? Now up and down they go. Up and down now they go. Die, now they So we spent an easy 6 minutes from our house to the Mambo junction that leads to the waterfall. The real adventure haven't even started.
Yeah. We back up in this place, man.
So we continue our journey, and what even made this worse was the sun. How bright the sun was shining at us. Everybody was sweating and cooking inside. That is how Amara and Idris started feeling very uncomfortable to take off their shirts. And this happened. Let's see how far you can go now. This is me, and we met others coming from the waterfall as well. We are finally climbing the last hill to the Mambo Waterfall. As you can see, the view is very spectacular, and at this point everybody was tired and frustrated, and I was just busy taking some shots. I don't know who is coming and all. You can see some unfinished building. People have already started to build here, started to do a lot of investment, as many of the lands here have been sold already. We don't reach out now. They say for pay gets money. When they went again, so they can't return back. Mambo Waterfall is not free, guys. You have to pay before you enter. At this point, we are negotiating because they said we need to pay 10 Leone per person before we enter because it's Saturday and Saturday is not free.
Right. I love Teen Allen. Hey, Sam. Taiba Swag, Chapo. I don't suffer. I'll be one return to us. That's what I make me.
No, we don't almost reach done.
What if pay me pasta the money?
They're not Chicago, organized crime. Super advertise pro max.
This.
Come on.
So we're here now, and I'm going to leave you with some music as we explore. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell icon so you will be notified anytime we drop a new video. Finally, we made it. Welcome to Mambo Waterfall. So this is the most talked about and hyped waterfall in Freetown, guys. This is me taking some random pictures and random videos and all.
I'm the bunch rolling in my Benz.
chilling with my coconuts. Yes, I got my teens up, confidential. I take it to the right spot, dancing on your cheese. Yes, we gonna do it in my sleep. Presidential. When you roll with the band, come on, you know the credential. Back and leave first class, it's not accidental. If you're sitting down, you're sitting on the long term. But the only long term must be a strong term. Now with the Coco Master, it's a fun term. The girls, they put their back cause they make the wrong thing. Oh, I need the wrong things. When I'm done with you, nobody done me. That sharp guy, crocodile Dundee. Don't ask me how I do it, it's confidential. Rolling in my bed, chilling with my coconuts. Yes, I got my teeth up,
Okay, so now we go back. So how was the experience?
Good man, we had fun.
See, Amando, how was the experience?
Wow. Rosette, Markmuday. Hey, Baba.